I hope you all are having an amazing day. So we have a brand new subscription to unbox today, and I'm really excited. But before we get into that, I do want to remind you of our LD Accessories Luxury Divas giveaway going on. It does end on... Shoot, when does it end? I think the 29th. I'm not sure. But all the information is in the video, and I will link that video down below. So if you would like to head over and enter, go ahead and do so. But today we have this new subscription. I cannot talk today. This is Culture Carton, and this is a men's lifestyle subscription. I think this is really neat. Oh, I'm not showing you my address. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, if you like what you see. I think this would make a great Father's Day gift. And yeah, I'm just excited to open it and see what we have in here. This was very kindly sent to me for review, so thank you, Culture Carton. I will, like I said, put a link down below and all information. So... this is what I see when we open it. So there is a card. Album. This month's items will help you look good and stay organized. Ooh, I'm not reading all that because that gets into everything. And yes, and there is a book included in this subscription. So we will start with that. All right, so this is a New York Times bestseller, 20th anniversary edition, Tuesdays with Maury, an old man, a young man, and the greatest lesson, and life's greatest lesson. So that is in there, and this has a $15 value, so that is awesome. Put that right there. And then this is in the box as well. So we are going to open this guy up. And then this is what I see. This looks like a really nice case from Articulate. Articulate travel tie case, $30. Oh, okay, and there's some stuff inside. Oh, the inside is very nice. It's like a red or burgundy velvet or velour. So we'll start right here. And this is from the White Sock Company. And these are some men's dress socks. These look very nice. They feel very, very nice. And it says these are $15. So that's nice. And then the final item, also here in this tie case, appropriately so, is a tie. And this is from Berry Bow, knotted up. So here we have this tie, and I could definitely see, you know, this being as far as like for spring. The Berry Bow tie, this is a $35 value. Wow. All right, so now I'm going to read everything that was right here that kind of gave away the items. So first, the Berry Bow tie with a classic yet modern design that will impress anyone who looks at it. Wear it with your nicest suit or dress it down. It's good in any scenario. Next, a travel tie case from Articulate that will prevent your ties from getting damaged during travel and storage. Finally, a great pair of socks from the White Sock Company. A great pair of socks can elevate an entire outfit, and these definitely fit the bill. And the book of the month is Tuesdays with Maury by Mitch Albom. This book is a staff favorite and will be something you won't forget reading. It deserves a place. Sorry about that. So this book is a staff favorite and will be something you won't forget reading. It deserves a place on anyone's bookshelf and will make a great addition to yours. So the total value of this month's box, this is the May 2019 Culture Carton, is $95. So that is amazing. Like I said, I will put a link and everything down below if you would like to go check them out. Like I said, this would make a great Father's Day gift, just a great anytime gift for the man in your life. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed the video. And like I said, don't forget about the Luxury Divas giveaway we have going on. That link will also be below. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you with the next one. Bye.